How to manage time perfectly during exams. Exams can be a stressful time for students, but with proper time management, it doesn't have to be. Time management during exams is an essential skill that every student should learn in order to get better results. Before starting the video, I would like to tell you, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, please subscribe. Let's start the video. By following a set schedule and making the most of their study time, students can make sure that they are fully prepared for their exams. Additionally, taking regular breaks during study sessions will help keep their minds fresh and alert. In this video, I will provide tips on how to manage your time effectively during exams so that you can achieve better results, so please subscribe to my channel. The title of today's video is The Ultimate Guide to Time Management for Exams. And today's primary question is how to maximize your study time and ace your exams? Let's start the video with first question. What is time management and why is it essential for exam preparation? Time management is an essential skill for success in any field, especially when it comes to exam preparation. It involves planning and organizing your time in order to make the most of it and achieve your goals. By effectively managing your time, you can ensure that you have enough time for studying, revising, and taking practice tests. It also helps you to stay focused on the task at hand and avoid distractions that could lead to procrastination or poor performance on exams. Time management is key to making sure that you are well prepared for exams and can maximize your score potential. I have found some tips to improve your time management skills and strategies during exams. First, prioritize tasks. Make a list of all the tasks you need to complete and prioritize them based on their importance and deadline. Second, create a schedule. Plan your day by dividing your time into blocks for studying, taking breaks, and completing other tasks. Stick to the schedule as much as possible. Third, eliminate distractions. Find a quiet place to study, turn off notifications on your phone, and minimize other distractions that could disrupt your focus. Fourth, take breaks. Regular breaks can improve your focus and productivity. Take short breaks after studying for a set amount of time, such as 15 to 20 minutes of study followed by a 5-minute break. Fifth, use tools and resources. Utilize resources such as calendars, to-do lists, and time management apps to stay organized and on track. Additionally, prioritize self-care to ensure you're in good physical and mental shape to tackle your exams. Let's talk about how to create a structured study plan that works best for you. To create a structured study plan that works best for you, follow these steps. 1. Identify your learning style. Are you a visual, auditory, or kinesthetic learner? Knowing your learning style will help you create a study plan that suits your strengths and weaknesses. Set specific goals. Decide what you want to achieve and set specific, measurable goals. 2. Create a schedule. Allocate time for each subject and stick to the schedule. 3. Use different methods. Mix up your study methods. Try using a combination of reading, writing, and discussion. 4. Take breaks. I'm telling you again, regular breaks can improve focus and concentration. 5. Review and evaluate. Regularly review what you have learned and evaluate your progress. This will help you identify any areas that need improvement and adjust your study plan accordingly. 6. Stay organized. Keep track of important dates, deadlines, and notes in one place. 7. Be consistent. Consistency is key. Stick to your study plan and make it a habit. 8. Seek help. If you're struggling, don't be afraid to seek help from your teachers, tutors, or classmates. Remember, a study plan that works for someone else may not necessarily work for you. Experiment with different methods until you find what works best for you. I have some time-saving tips and tricks to help you make the most of your study hours. I have researched some time-saving tips and tricks to help you make the most of your study hours. First, prioritize. Focus on the most important and urgent tasks first, and save the less important ones for later. Second, eliminate distractions. Find a quiet place to study, turn off notifications on your phone, and limit social media usage. Third, use technology wisely. Use tools such as flashcards and apps to help you study more efficiently. Fourth, take notes. Take effective and efficient notes to reduce the need for rereading and reviewing materials. Fifth, group study. Studying with others can help you save time by sharing knowledge and dividing tasks. Sixth, self-test. Regular self-testing can help you identify areas that need improvement and focus your study time more effectively. Seventh, practice efficient reading. Use speed reading techniques, skimming and scanning to quickly read and understand texts. 8th, make the most of downtimes. Use small downtimes, such as waiting in line or during commercial breaks, to review flashcards or do quick quizzes. 9th, avoid multitasking. Multitasking can decrease your productivity and waste time. Focus on one task at a time. 10th, get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can affect your concentration and memory, making studying less efficient. Ensure you get enough rest. By following these tips and tricks, you can make the most of your study hours and maximize your productivity. In conclusion, time management is a crucial aspect of exam preparation that helps students allocate their time efficiently and effectively. By setting priorities, breaking tasks into manageable pieces, and avoiding distractions, students can ensure they are using their time wisely and reaching their academic goals. Embracing these principles of time management can make all the difference in achieving success on exams and beyond. If you liked the video, then press the like button and definitely subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.